Sakgo Sk-1123 is a fully automatic overlock bottom hemming machine for the specific sewing process of a t-shirt. Overlock hemming first in order to meet the high-quality sample requirements of customers, equipped with an intelligent touch operating system. It can automatically identify the clothing size, sewing 38 to 90 cm without adjustment. It mimics artificial gestures and makes garments of higher quality and more stable quality. The new reconnection auxiliary system adopts Japanese Kin's precision distance sensor, which makes the reconnection smoother and the needle ends perfectly. Self-provided disconnection sensor. The machine will stop automatically after disconnection. The unique thread cutting system with double thread clamps can effectively control the length of thread ends, and the cutter is separated from the machine to ensure that the sewing ends without wires. Self-starting switch. The automatic mode can be used according to the proficiency level. Sewing mode will be automatically activated within 1 second after putting the clothes on the machine. No need to press the start button to relieve the fatigue of the operator. Can be equipped with a machine head according to customer requirements. The use of a Taiwan Hexin electronic control can make the rotation speed up to 4,500 RPM. An L-size clothes can be sewn more than 200 pieces per hour. It has a full automatic integrated material system, which is suitable for production on the production line. The product can be perfectly stacked after sewing. Sakgo Sk-1123 has truly realizes the automated production of sewing apparel, and it's easy to operate. One person can operate 2 machines, and it can sew 400 pieces clothes in 1 hour, helping enterprises to liberate labor force and improve productivity.